Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to use the raise effect with 3D objects. The first long part of the video consists of preparing the texts and background. You can skip the design part and see how to make the 3D raise effect at minute 9, 20 seconds. Let's get started. Add a fusion composition to the timeline. Go to the Fusion page. Add a background and connect it to Media Out. Add a renderer 3D. Select the hardware renderer and enable lighting and shadows. Add a Merge 3D. Add another Merge 3D. Add an Image Plane 3D. Add an ambient light. Add a camera 3D. Add text and connect it to Image Plane 3D. You can find the fonts I use on Google Fonts. Go to Shading and enable Outline. To change the text and outline color with the background node, select Image. A white layer will appear on the text node. We can connect the background here. Select Image for the outline. Add another background for the outline color to the second layer that appears on the text. Add another image plane, 3D, for the second text. Copy the text, paste it as an instance, and connect it to the image plane 3D. Right-click on the areas you want to change separately from the main text, and select De-instance. Copy the text color and paste it as an instance for the second text. Right-click on the gradient, select De-instance, and change the color. To add a blurred reflection of this text design to the background, select Background and add Merge. Add another merge and connect the 3D ray text to the yellow bottom layer and the effect text to the green top layer. Add a transform node for the 3D ray text. And move the text up and down to the appropriate position. Add a transform node and stretch the text to the background. Add a blur and set the size to 100. Select Renderer 3D and add a drop shadow. Add a highlight. Set the low to 0.6. We're ready to add the 3D ray effect. Select Highlight and add the rays effect. The effect text is too bright. Darken its color a bit. The raise effect isn't moving with the 3D objects yet. To target a moving 3D object for the raise effect, add a locator 3D between Merge 3D and Renderer 3D. To make the target move with the text, connect the target Merge 3D to the Merge 3D which the text is connected, and also connect it to the Locator 3D. You can set any 3D object as the target. Move the target object further back from the text. Select the Raise node and connect the center to the Locator 3D position. Here's a 3D raise effect. As you change the camera in multi-camera scenes, you should also change the camera in Locator 3D. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.